Bonjour. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Say hi to my nephew. What's your name?
Elijah.
Hi Elijah. Elijah is telling you guys to subscribe to my channel, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much for clicking. Thank you for joining this session. I love you so much. Thank you so much for your support. Today's video is sponsored by Kikaye Cosmetics. They sent me a bunch of products. You guys can see. Sorry about that. They sent me their blush palettes, their glim kits. That's their highlighter palette and some lipsticks. And I use it to achieve this look that I have on my face right now. I use their blush palette and their highlighter for my eyeshadow. And I'm wearing the lipstick right now. And I'm also wearing the gleam palette right here together with the blush. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look that you can wear anywhere, like I feel it's timeless and I love it, stay tuned. And
okay guys, so they sent me the package in this nice paper bag, which I actually do like the packaging. And this is the glim kit, and I also like the packaging of that. It also comes in a smaller box before the package itself, and it comes with a rubber in front of the product to prevent it from breaking. And as you can see, and it comes in 4 different shades, guys, literally 4 different shades, and they're all so very much pigmented. And the shades are hand clap, bang bang, lightning, and star, which you guys can see. I'm sure you guys are already feeling the vibe. And then there's the blush kit, which also comes in 4 really nice pigmented shades, and it's baddies, lady, sober, and dull. So you guys can see how nice those colors are popping right now.
So now we're about to swatch them, and I'm starting off with the shade baddies. Okay. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the gleam kit. That's the highlighter palette. Okay guys, so we are going to start off on fresh skin, and I mean my face is obviously already clean, but I'm going to go in with this wipe, and I'm going to use my fingers to just dab in the moisture, the liquid left into my face. But it's very dark for my skin, and it's also a little bit too light for my shade, so I like to mix this to blend it at the back of my hand before I put it on. I also like to use the same concealer brush to put it on my face. So as you can see now, it's my I look crazy right now, I know guys. I'm going to use this foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend it in. Add the lightning into the skin to get an even blend. Lighten. Yeah. So these two to mix the two. So yeah. Call me crazy, but that's what I like to do. And because I'm darker skin, I like to use more of the brown than the white. Okay now guys, so now that that's applied, I'm going to go in with the same beauty blender. So I'm going to go in with this knife contour powder, and I'm just going to highlight my nose. So I'm going to start from this side from my eye. And with this powder, it's very pigmented, so just a little. Next, I'm going to go in with this brush. It's a contour brush, and I'm going to go to the high point of my cheek. I'm going to just place it there to get a nice contour, just to give my face a nice outline. Pro powder. I'm going to take this small beauty blender, but I normally like to start with this pulley, just brushing them Okay guys, so I'm done doing my brow off cam. I think I did well. I think I tried. Anyway, so I'm going to do my eyeshadow right now, and I think they actually didn't send me their eyeshadow, but I'm fond of using blushes as eyeshadow. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the shade Sober. It's more like a brown. The one right here, Sober. When you buy it, go and buy it. When you buy it, you know which one is the Sober is. So I think it's a nice transition shade. I'm going to put it at the crease area, if that's how to call it. And I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush this fluffy brush to blend it out. It'll be like a kind of neutral brown shade, but on my eyelids right now it's looking like this gorgeous shade of pink. So well, there's pink in my dress. I can't say I'm complaining much, you know. I kind of like it. So I'm going to go in with this, with the lady. It looks more like an orange, so I think like it would be like a nice build up. So I'm going with the brush and I'm just going to put it on top of the first color. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like after blending the two shades together. Would you actually believe it if I actually told you this was not an eyeshadow, like this is supposed to be a blush? But it's so pigmented and the colors are so vibrant. Like, I'm really digging the vibe. Like, they really put in so much to make this work, and it's actually working for me right now. So I think I'm going to do a little kind of cut crease, and I'm going to go in with one of the shades from the Gleam Kit palette, and let's see how it looks like. Okay guys, so I am done cutting the crease. It doesn't really look so even, but then I told you guys I'm not a pro, so we're just gonna take it like that. Okay, I think I'm going to do the lightning, the silver-ish rose gold. I'm going to put on my eyelids. I showed you guys this thing is so pigmented, you just need a little. Just dab it out, and I'm just going to go with the fluffy brush to try to blend it. Okay guys, so I think the brown kind of like brought the whole color down, and I kind of like the neutral shades now. And I didn't really use the brown eyeshadow, I used my contour powder from Annive to just dim it down. So basically that's it. So okay, so that's how just to give my eyebrows a more natural look. Going to brush over the baked areas, I mean where the setting powder was. Powder is still broken, so I don't want to show you guys. So I'm going to go in with a blush in the shade Doll, since we didn't use that on the eyes. It's a soft baby pink. Can you guys see that color? Can you see it? I'm going to dim the lightning of the video So you guys see how really pigmented and how popping this clean kit is. So I'm darkening the light right now, and I'm taking the highlighter brush, and today I think I want to do the shade Hand Clap mixed with a little lightening. You all see that? That's just one swipe, just one, and I'm glowing. Like, you can literally see my highlights from 10 different planets. So I'm going to do the second cheek. Forget that. Okay guys, so this is the last part, I promise. This is, we're going to do the lips, and they sent me 3 different shades of their lipsticks, but I'm going to do one now, and I'm going to do a video for all 3 of them. So if you want to watch that, just stay tuned for the next one. And for lips, I don't like any product on my lips before I put on lipstick or gloss or whatever, so I'm gonna clean it off. And I'm going to go in with the lip liner. Alright guys, so I already have really dry lips, so I don't really like to use the matte lipstick just like that. So I like to put a little primer at the back of my hand. It's more like a moisturizer, and I use my fingertip to just put a little on my lips just to moisturize. You can use baby oil too, it works really great. And then I clean it off with a handkerchief or something. And this is in the shade Rita. This is called Rita. So, and when you open the box, this is how it looks. As I said, I'll be doing a video separately for the lips, so stay tuned and watch out. And I'm just going to, I just want a little bit, so and because it's a matte, I need to dry it as quickly as I can. And I want to put a little more brown liner. So this is it for those who like the nude lips, but for me, I do like a soft matte feeling. So I'm going to take this Carmex lip balm, and I'm just going to put a little on my hand, and I'm just going to take it, I'm just going to dab it on the lipstick, and I have my soft matte. So that is it. Is there something I'm missing? Am I missing anything, guys? Remind me. Okay, so I'm going to take the same highlighter palette with the same shades. I use the Hand Clap and the lightning, and I'm going to put a little bit. Ooh, that glow, guys, it's so pigmented. See, now you can't talk to me. I'm not your regular girl. So guys, see how this goes together. Just need a little blending. And yes, I knew I was forgetting something. Setting spray. I'm using this clean color setting spray. Just allow it to set in and seep into my skin. And then I'll blend it with a beauty blender. So I'm sorry guys, they also added their card. Kikaye Cosmetics is very pretty, and it also has their information on it: Kikaye Enterprise LLC, Kikaye Beauty and Cosmetics LLC, by Jennifer Kaye. And it also has their address and anything. So I'll put their website, their email, their Ghana and USA numbers, and also their Instagram and their Facebook, which is also here. And it says your beauty is our duty. Oh, how cute is that? So I'm going to put in the description box, and yeah, you guys can hit them up and get your blush that you could also use for your eyeshadow, your highlight popping, your lipsticks, and just vibe with us. Alright, see you guys in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe.